Hello everyone, this is Maitli. We are going to talk about stress management in parents today. Parenting can be very stressful. Whether you are a stay-at-home parent or a working parent, a single parent or a married parent, mother or father, parent of one child or several children, remaining cool, calm and full of energy can help get you through the day. In this video, you will learn simple stress management tips and relaxation exercises that have proven useful to all the adults. Taking a moment to consider which stress management tools will work for you and putting them into practice will help you to provide the stress management approach you are looking for and the stress relief you deserve. I request you to subscribe to this channel if you have not done so. How do we get so tense? When we are worried, anxious or hurried or harried, our body begins to feel tense. Actually, this is a natural reaction. Our body is preparing us for flight or fight. Our body has been given the signal to prepare to respond to a threat. If a real physical danger were present, we would be able to protect ourselves by attack or retreat. When the emergency was over, an all clear signal would be given to and our body would relax and return to its normal state. Chronic tension affects each of us differently. Depending on the person, it can cause sleep disturbances, increased or decreased appetite, headaches, stomach aches, poor concentration or irritability. Some disease may be caused by or made worse by chronic tension. Also, our immune system can be weakened. Thus, we'll be more towards the colds and other infections. Following are some strategies to reduce tension and stress. In this video, I'll help you to learn 3 proven techniques or ways to relax. Progressive relaxation, deep breathing, and pleasant images. At the end of this video, I'll provide you a free PDF document with 50 proven ways to reduce stress. So let us start. Progressive relaxation. We will start with your feet and lower legs. Tighten those muscles as hard as you can. Feel the tension. Then gradually release the tension. Let your feet and lower leg muscles relax just a little bit at a time. Repeat this with your upper leg and hip muscles. Again, experience first the tension and then the gradual relaxation as you slowly release all the tensions. Next, tense the muscles in your hands and lower arms. Make a fist. Tighten them as tight as you can. Then gradually let them relax. With each muscle group, the relaxation feels good. As you relax, one group at a time, your whole being will begin to feel relaxed, calm and peaceful. Repeat the tension and then gradual relaxation with your upper arms and even with your shoulders. Remember to tense and hold before relaxing. Now, tighten your stomach muscles. Hold the tension and then gradually release. Then move to your chest muscles. Take a deep breath. Hold it while tensing your chest muscles. Slowly let out your breath while gradually letting go of the tension in your chest muscles. As you have now progressively relaxed most of your major muscle groups, you may feel a tingly sensation. You will find that your breathing has become slower and deeper. You are now relaxed. Try to practice this technique on a daily basis. When you have followed the above for about 10 to 15 sessions, try it without tensing the muscles. See if you can relax one muscle group at a time while breathing slowly and deeply. Next is deep breathing. When we are tense, our breathing is often shallow and rapid. Most of us do not breathe properly, tense or not. Improper breathing robs us of oxygen, which purifies our body as well as helps our body producing energy. Fortunately, learning to breathe correctly is not difficult. Find a comfortable place to lie down. Place your hands on your abdomen just below your ribs. Begin breathing slowly and deeply. If you are breathing correctly, you will feel the expansion in the abdominal area before your rib cage expands. Spend 5 to 10 minutes several times a day practicing your deep breathing. You will notice that as you become more proficient, your breathing will improve during your normal activities also. Third is, take a mental vacation. When we think about things that are upsetting, our body becomes tense. This is because the lower centers of our brain, which regulates the body functions, does not distinguish between the real ones and the imagined images. If you think about being an uncomfortable situation, your body will begin to respond as if you were in that real situation. Since you have probably had lots of experiences thinking about things that cause tension, you have all the skills necessary to do just the opposite. Imagine something that makes you feel good. To prepare for your mental vacation, relax your muscles and take a few deep breaths. Then close your eyes and imagine you are at some place you enjoy. It could be a beach or a mountain or enjoying a favorite activity, anything but whatever you like. Try to experience this imagine event fully, completely. See the sights, hear the sound, feel the air, smell the smells, tune it in to the sense of well-being. At first, you should allow 10 to 15 minutes for this exercise. As you become more adept, you will find that you can feel like you have been on an extended vacation or have just returned from a good time in only a few moments. Some other ways to feel relaxed. Listening to music is very relaxing. Reading can be rewarding for many. Enjoying a hobby can make life more fun. Research shows that exercising several times a week, even just a walk, can reduce the tension and stress in all of us. Research also has found that regular attendance at places of worship and daily prayer results in lower blood pressure and better coping skills. Thank you for watching this video and try these 3 methods detailed earlier. As mentioned by me, I am giving you a free PDF file that lists 50 proven stress reducers. Find the link below in the description and send me your details so that I can mail you the PDF file. Please share with your circles and even through the social media if you like this video. Thank you for watching. So, see you next time in the other video. Till then, bye-bye.